Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. Reckless driver caused road rage incident and almost got run over by truck.
Good afternoon.
I called about Robert Kennedy Jr., but what, since you're talking about Hamas right here at the moment, I'll throw my 2 cents in. I'm really surprised after all that Israel has gone through.
No.
Just moments before this video starts, Jeep driver was involved in an accident. After damaged driver followed them in order to file a report, the Jeep driver and passenger came at him.
You just hit me! You just hit me! It doesn't matter! I want to file a report! I don't care! I'm going to follow you to wherever you go! For hitting me! I don't care! You hit me! Whatever you say! Hello? Did you hear that? This woman just hit me. They finally pull over. They're swearing at me. He says, if you follow me, I'll kill you. They can hear me. I don't care. That's why you shouldn't hit me. I don't care. You just admitted you hit me. No. Did you hear that? It's a Michigan license. Now she just threw a can into my windshield. Michigan license plate. It's a Jeep 4x4. Now they just threw a bag at me. EMK 3152. I have a dash cam that just caught him throwing shit at my car, too.
After half a mile, take the exit right, 126B, towards the Civic Center, then go straight ahead, San Benito Street.
What's going on, man? Am I missing something in this world, bro?
Take the exit right, 126B, then go straight ahead.
Is he running? He's not running, is he? No way. What am I watching? What the It's crazy, dude.
A little help from new appliances at the Home Depot, because warm wishes won't roast that turkey. You'll want a new convection oven for that. An air fryer will help make the season light and delicious. And while you're at it,
This one is called the perfect moment. The instant justice was served after car swerved in another lane, almost causing an accident.
Dude. Okay, Garvin. Save video.
It may also be a great time to consider getting vaccinated against COVID-19. Sponsored by BioNTech and Pfizer.
if you're not careful, you can overpay for a dime and lose thousands of dollars.
That car up. I got it on dash cam too. And then whoop. Yep.
What do you think, guys? Who's at fault here?
Jesus Christus.
With each passing day, now at 22, is that incredibly, there has been very unsatisfying...
Driving without tire can not only damage your car, you are also putting others at risk.
No fire!
Solution is eventually forthcoming. This has not been...
Late lane change caused the accident. Road markings are there for a reason. This driver damaged his car after doing late and illegal overtaking. He was lucky to not crash.
Oh, Jesus! What the And it's from you, pretty baby, that my just got to stay away. What are we doing? Go through those same things again. I'm so glad that we parted.
Okay, Garmin.
Oh, shit. Oh, my boy was on the phone.
Another late lane change, but this time luckily there was no accident.
By the National School Lunch Program have the option to dish out these meals packed with additives for flavor, texture, and shelf life. And understand, this is literally killing future generations. Studies have linked ultra-processed...
Okay, Presto.
Wow.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.